paints a picture of interconnectedness, a bridge between the love we have for ourselves and the love we radiate into the world. Picture yourself standing in the midst of expanding circles. The innermost circle, wrapping closely around you, symbolizes your immediate family. As the circles grow, they encompass friends, acquaintances, your local community, and eventually the entirety of humanity. This imagery, inspired by the Stoic philosopher Aurelius, is a poignant reminder of our place within the vast expanse of human relationships. Reflecting on this interconnectedness, the wise Marcus Aurelius once observed, "What is not good for the swarm is not good for the bee." This thought nudges us to recognize that our individual well-being is deeply intertwined with the collective. Every gesture, every word, every action we take sends ripples through this vast web of human connections. So how might one weave oikiosis into the fabric of daily life? Consider those moments of disagreement, where emotions run high and understanding seems distant.